Why would condensation occur on the surface of central AC piping and ducting insulation layers? Firstly, we need to understand what the piping and air ducting of air conditioning system consists of. The mainstream central AC system contains three circulation systems: refrigerant circulation, chilled water circulation, and cooling water circulation, as well as the air ducting system. The design temperature is 7 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius for chilled water circulation system, 32 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius for cooling water circulation, 14 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius for air ducting system, and 18 degrees Celsius for condensation water piping. Why would condensation occur? Reason 1. Thinner or insufficient thickness of thermal insulation. The medium temperature inside the chilled water circulation system, air duct system, and condensation water piping is lower than the dew point temperature in the air. If the insulated material on the surface of the ducting and piping is too thin, then condensation will occur. Reason 2. Improper installation. Even with the right insulation thickness, condensation may occur still. For example, water pipes valves, elbows, and air ducts elbows and diffusers are easier to condensate due to untight sealing of the improper installation. Condensation will occur at the joints of the ducting and piping insulation. Reason 3. Wrong material selection. If you choose the perforated insulated material, the thermal conductivity will increase sharply because of the moisture permeation, leading to the loss of insulation effect and easy condensation. The harm of condensation. Condensation not only affects the normal operation of the entire system, increasing the loss of cooling capacity of the system and operating costs, but also causes secondary losses in the top surface of the condensation area and equipment below. So how to avoid ducting and piping condensation? In the following videos, we will explain how Durkflex elastomeric insulation solution effectively solves the condensation issue from multiple dimensions. Remember to like and follow us.